Imagine tasting a word or seeing a color when you hear music. This is the reality for many with synesthesia. Synesthesia affects 1 to 4% of the population. According to Harvard University, it is more common in women due to genetic factors. People with synesthesia experience unique perceptions. Words evoke tastes and sounds trigger colors in a fascinating involuntary response. In grapheme color synesthesia, numbers associate with colors. Studies show 75% of synesthetes report tasting sounds. This changes our understanding of human perception. Synesthesia challenges how we view our sensory experiences. Despite progress, researchers still cannot explain why synesthesia occurs. The mysteries of the brain continue to puzzle scientists. Follow for more mind-blowing science.